Park Distance Control, PDC, assists you with parking and maneuvering. It does this by monitoring how far away you are from an object. Acoustic signals are emitted as you approach the object. The distance can also be visualized schematically on the control display. The acoustic signals and the display continually change to reflect the distance between the car and the object.
The Parking Maneuvering Assistant detects parking spaces perpendicular and parallel to the roadway and features an automatic parking assist program. Sensors measure the size of parking spaces on both sides of the road as you drive past. When the system is activated, suitable parking spaces are shown on the control display. When the automatic parking operation is started, the system takes over the steering wheel, accelerator, and brakes. It is still your responsibility to monitor the car's surroundings. Park Distance Control helps you to assess the parking situation. Note the distance to obstacles. Physical limitations mean the system may not be able to detect obstacles in good time. You can intervene manually in the automatic parking maneuver whenever necessary.